Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. Several explosions have hit Brussels airport and the city's metro system. Belgian police say 11 people have been killed at the airport, while 15 people are reported dead in the metro blast. All flights have been cancelled. The explosion on the metro was at a station close to EU institutions. Transport in the city has now been shut down. The French Interior Minister says France will deploy 1,600 additional police officers at its borders and on public transport in response to the bomb blasts in Brussels. Brazilian federal police say a corruption investigation on state-run oil company Petrobras has uncovered a bribe payment scheme led by the largest engineering and construction company in Latin America, Odebrecht SA. The investigation into Petrobras has led to the arrest of many top executives and politicians. It has even threatened the presidency of Dilma Rousseff. Critics have been calling for her impeachment. The FBI says it may be able to retrieve data from an iPhone without Apple's help. The FBI had ordered the tech giant to create software to unlock the iPhone used by one of the attackers in San Bernardino last year. That shooting killed 14 people. Apple has fought the order, saying creating the software would violate users' privacy. The US Department of Justice has since stayed an order requiring Apple to help in the investigation. Indian Wells Tennis Gardens CEO Raymond Moore has resigned after being accused of sexism over comments he made about female players. Moore told reporters women players rode on the coattails of men.
If I was a lady player, I'd go down every night on my knees and thank God that Roger Federer and Rafa Nadal before.
He later apologised, saying his remarks were in extremely poor taste and erroneous. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.